Hai hai. Hari ini Adek dan kakak Ayu mau baby spa. Happy. Sekarang udah sampai di baby house Palembang. Adek Bibi happy banget nih dipijit. Habis dipijit kita mulai berenang.
Could dress up to get love, but guess what? I'm never gonna be that girl who's living in a Barbie world.
Gemes banget kan Dek
Could
Bibi?
wake up and make up and play dumb, pretending that I need a boy.
Happy banget nih,
Gonna treat
nggak
me
nangis
like a
juga.
toy. I know the other girlies wanna wear expensive things like diamond rings, but I don't wanna be the puppet that you're playing on a string. This queen don't need a king. Oh, I don't know what you've been told, but this guy right here's gonna rule the world. Yeah, that is where I'm gonna be, because I wanna be. No, I don't wanna sit still, look pretty. You get up on a 9 to 5 dream of picket fences and trophy wives, but no, I'm never gonna be, cause I don't wanna be. No, I don't wanna sit still, look pretty. It's alright, could be nice for one night, but then you wanna take control, and I would rather fly solo. The Snow White, she did right in her life, had 7 men to do the chores, cause that's not what a lady's for. The only thing a boy's gonna give a girl for free is captivity, and I might love me some vanilla, but I'm not that sugar sweet. Call me HBIC.
Mandi bolanya cuma 15 menit supaya adek nggak masuk angin. Sekarang kakak A dan Ayu juga ikutan nggak mau kalah sama adiknya. Dia juga happy banget loh sekarang. Udah selesai lanjut main, mainnya juga tetap masih di baby house Palembang. Sampai jumpa lagi ya, bye bye. Selamat menonton.